Good afternoon, my name's Sam Jackson and I'm a sales specialist here at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Today I'm going to talk to you about the European Car of the Year, the all-new 208 Active 1.2 with a 75 horsepower engine. The 75 horsepower 1.2 engine is a Euro 6 engine with WLTP figures of 53 miles per gallon. On top of that, it's just between 93 and 98 grams of CO2. This example of the Active is finished with the solid Bianca white paint, which really complements the gloss black spoiler as well as the gloss black trim on the rear. Finally, the Active comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, which I'm sure you'll agree look absolutely fantastic. If you'd like any additional information or would like to go for a test drive, don't hesitate to come into Taunton. I'll be more than happy to help.